crying. I eat with my finger, hon. You want my finger?
This way you can feel better, like you're living a dream.
Living your dream.
Good morning, Philippines.
Hi guys. I'm dropping my mom-in-law to the other house. She's still sleeping. And then I'm going to see Tommy pagkatapos nito. Time check. It is 8, 9, 10 in the morning. This is the radio station of Grandma and daughter-in-law. She's laughing, guys. This channel is a channel of it's a radio station. Mom, can I be a good DJ? Radio station DJ? No, I'm not sure. You wake up early this morning, like wake up a bunch of times, or no? You sleep all through the night, Mom?
I woke up several times.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What a freaking day. So, pagpunta ko sa bahay ni kapatid ni Tami, sabi ko, punta ako sa bahay ni Bianan. Dadalhin ko yung kama ni Bianan sa bahay kasi wala namang gumagamit doon. So, ngayon, sabi niya, oh, huwag niyong dalhin yung kama niya. Kaya na, ganan. Huli na yung bedroom ni ina daw nila. Galawin. Kailangan yung kay Tami. Oh, totoo naman yun. Pero yung kama, hindi ipadala. Kasi daw, iwan ko. No, sabi ko kay Tami, hindi na ako pupunta doon, I guess. Kasi, pumunta ako doon para tulungan siya, ikarga yung kama sa taas ng sasakyan. So, yun yung plano. Pero, hindi matuloy. So, balik ako sa bahay ko. Naluka naman ito eh. Naluka na talaga ako. Itong kapatid ni Tami ba? Gusto niya, parang ano niya ba? Gusto niya, hindi namin dalhin yung gamit ni Bianan. Sabi ko, sige, hindi namin dalhin sa bahay. Pero ipundok mo lahat sa bahay mo. Doon mo lang ilagay. Kasi ang daming gamit ng ina mo. Doon mo ilagay sa bahay mo. Sa isip ko. Sabi ko kay Tami, doon sa bahay nila ilagay. Kung ayaw nilang dalhin sa bahay natin, doon sa bahay nila ilagay mo lahat. Sabi pa naman nila maliit daw yung bahay nila, wala daw lugar. So ngayon hindi ipadala sa bahay, pati kama. Sabi ko bahala na, bibili na lang ako ng bagong kama. Sabi pa ni Tami, I buy that bed, expensive, dalhin ko yan, pero wag ka nang pumunta dito ka. Nagalit si Tami, guys.
Prepare to bear right after half a mile.
Pero wala eh.
Onto I-84 westbound.
Nadismaya ako.
Bear right.
Speed up tayo dito. Sige, lumba tabi, lumba ta. Padlokon man. Kung na ako'y pakialam, sige, lumba ta. Lumba tabi. Sige. Dali, lumba ta. Dali. Naloka ako. Nakalagot ko, guys. Naglagot ko, guys. Naglagot ko. Excited na ako sa kama. And I stop at a grocery. Hold on, guys. What is that all about? Hey. Sige, stop ako sa grocery. Bumili ako ng pork. Yung parang bacon na mataba para barbecue natin mamaya doon sa labas. Dinner with Tommy. And yun. And yun lang, guys. Yan. Konti lang. At saka paper towel. Tissue. Ngayon, maglilinis na naman tayo dito sa bedroom na ginamit ni Bianan, office ni Tami, sa bathroom. Anyway, bumili ako ng egg. Ito yun, guys, kasi gustong-gusto ko ito i-barbecue. Gusto kong matry ni Tami. I-marinate ko siya para masarap, may lasa. Yun. Ilagay muna natin siya sa refrigerator para maging fresh at hindi masira. Have that feeling of dahil hindi natuloy, di ba? Yung pagdala ng bed dito dahil sa kigwa na kapatid nila. Kigwa talaga yun, kigwa. Bahala na, sabihin ninyo, bakit ka naman ganun? Kigwa yun guys, kigwa. Bahala yun siya, basta kay kigwa talaga siya. I get along with her, pero paminsan talaga, may time talaga na nakakairita yun siya. Parang, alam nyo, may chika ko sa inyo. Chika minute!
Please hang up and try again.
Yung biyanan ko ba, chika na natin. So, mahilig ng chika ba? The reality of life, guys ba? Sabi pa ng ina nila, kailangan daw niyang kausapin yung kapatid ni Tami. Kung saan siya ngayon nakatira ba? Gusto daw niyang kausapin kasi kinokontrol na daw lahat. Ganun. Lahat hindi na niya alam kung anong mga nangyayari. Kontrolado na siya. Wala na siyang totoo naman niya. Dapat hindi naman talaga yan simbiyanan, pabayaan. Ano lang siya ba? Parang ayaw niya yung parang sinasabihan siya na dito ka, doon ka, dito ka, doon ka. Parang palipat-lipat siya. Parang nalilito yung utak niya ba? So yun, ayaw niya yung mga ganun. Sa isip niya, kausapin niya yung anak. Pero palagi na yung nangyayari. Wala siyang guts na sabihan yung anak niya. Wala. Ang ano niya, yung katapira daw niya, mga finances niya. May mga investment yun. So yun, na ano na daw. Yung anak na daw niya yung nag-handle. Wala na siyang alam kung anong mga nangyayari. Ngayon, maaga tayo dito. Maglinis tayo ng maaga. Katatapos lang namin nag-usap ni Tami. Malapit na siya dito. Pero grabe yung usapan namin. 1.5 hour din. Kailangan kong maglaba guys. Kasi matutulog yung asawa ko dito. Dapat mabango yung bedsheets. Kasi maghalog-halog kami.
Deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Para na akong anik. Anyway guys, lamhan lang talaga guys. So, kailangan na guys. Nag-usap kami ni Tami tungkol sa kapatid niya na nasa grabe na. Grabe kami ni Tami nag-usap ba? Diyan muna kayo guys ilagay ko muna to dito. Mga towels ng aso at saka yung medyas ko. Yung labmuno na andito talaga. Ay, ang daming buhok. Kapag maglaba ako nito guys, lagyan ko palagi ng Lysol, i-mix sa laundry detergent. Yun, i-mix ko siya para mapatay lang yung germs na yan dyan. At saka lagyan konti ng parang downy, pero hindi downy. Dada will be here, Rox. You know that? Nagluto na ako, nag-init na ako ng pork adobo at saka rice. Nag-init na. Nag-usap kami sa telephone. Sabi pa niya, Burger King na naman. Sus, si Roxy mukha. Burger King na naman. Sabi pa niya, anong gusto mo sa Burger King? Sabi ko, I'm going to start eating na. Sabi pa niya, sabi mo niya, alam mo, pupunta ako dyan, kakain ka, hindi ka kakain kasama ko. Sabi ko, oh, sige, mamaya ko na ito kainin, pero gutom ako, pero bilhan mo ako ng burger at saka fries, pero kainin ko yun bukas. Ang kakainin ko is itong pork adobo na ginawa ko kahapon at rice. Excited na ako sa kama. Sabi pa ni Tami, oh sige, uy, kunin mo na lang yung kama ko, yun na lang yung gamitin mo. Sabi ko, galit ka ba? Are you mad? I'm not asking you to bring your bed here and then you don't have any more bed over there. Sabihin na naman ni Tami, this flower is unhappy. Hindi daw masaya kasi hindi ko tinanom, hindi ko pinaplant ng maayos. Hi, Mitch. Dad is coming, Mitch. Dad is coming. Hello, Dad is coming. Are you gonna go get Dada? Are you gonna go get Dada, baby? Ang lakas ng music eh. Stay there. Stay. singing, guys. Oh my God, he's singing. Yeah. No, he's like a horsey.
Freebird.
He's like a horsey.
You got patties.
Yeah. Oh, where? Oh, there is package. Hala, somebody. What is crying? Do it now. They found you. They found you. No, that's it. That's it. Only one dada. How many dada you need? They're looking for more dada. They're happy always, oy.
Crazy couple. They're not doing good.
Ay na, don't touch it. You have a bad Tommy. Don't touch it.
I have it. Look what you did.
That's still alive, hon. Just leave it.
I know,
Let
not doing
it.
very good. It should be doing.
It will.
It was doing great before you put it in here.
Ay nako. Okay, let's eat because I'm hungry, hon.
Hey, Debala.
No time for waiting. I wait already. Gutom ako.
I understand you. You eat with your fingers, but you don't have a napkin.
Oh, you put this here?
Yes.
Thank you. Because we don't wipe. We just keep eating and then wash your hand later. I eat with my finger, hon. You want my finger rot? Finger rot.
Let me open your water.
Yeah, please. I have dirty finger.
Video advertising.
Mm.
Video advertising a TV show.
So Tommy's unboxing, guys. He ordered something from Amazon.
Brake bleeder.
What is that? 4C something?
So this is to bleed the brakes. So you don't need a second person to bleed the brakes. So you don't get fluid all over the floor and crap, and you get the air out of the lines. Otherwise, you don't have no brakes when you're driving.
So that's the pumper.
Hook this to the air compressor.
What is that?
Plugs, remote plugs.
For what?
For the pumps at the house because they wouldn't shut off.
What do you need for septic? Oh, that one, the Redex. But that's expensive, Tommy. You get Redex. It's cheaper than what we got.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Well, maybe that was $18 for
Is there any scooper with this?
I don't know.
Septic, guys, para hindi kami magka-problema nito, guys. How many got you think for septic? 3?
3.
No, you have to hire people to clean it up anyway.
$20,000 is what it costs.
No, remember.
If you have a problem, it costs.
No, I'm not talking about the problem. I'm talking about to hire people.
The city couldn't tell me where it is.
You know it already is over there in our front porch.
You have to dig up the ground and find the cover in the cover in the ground. They have to tell you where it is, or you're gonna be digging up the whole yard looking for it. Underground, there's a big cover.
Okay.
You have to dig. And
So every time they clean it for how many? Every 3 years, they have to.
yes.
Every 3, we pass over 3
You
years
have to dig
already.
up the cover, but
Tommy, bring a treasure box. he said, open it, Han, open it. Tignan natin kung ano to. Sabi pa niya, yung kapatid daw niya na babae, dinala na yung mga mamahaling gamit sa bahay niya. So ngayon, kumuha daw siya. Tignan natin kung ano to. This is already ruined, oh?
it's not ruined, huh? Tarnish. Silver tarnishes. It turns black like that.
It turned black?
Yeah, you put silver polish on it, gets a black out. That's tarnish.
It looks like a freaking, not silver.
What does it look like?
It looks like rose gold.
You know what this is?
What?
The whole thing?
What is it?
Punch bowl.
Can you put that back? What the heck? We are not in 19 Forgotten Han. That is like a king that it will serve. That's for the king. It's already ruined, oh?
Not ruined, honey. You put silver polish on it.
And after silver's polish, remember, you put next, and then the next few months, it's gonna go back the same thing.
This bag is supposed to stop it from tarnishing, but you know, they only last so long.
Hala. The beauty of this, Han, it's very pretty, Han, but you cannot read anymore, huh?
Hand,
Huh?
Vintage Hand Chase International Silver Company.
Yeah, I know what you're doing.
Alright, pour it like that.
It's really fancy looking. Look at this, guys. But it's like rusted already.
It's not rusted, it's tarnished. Silver
Tarnished.
doesn't rust.
Andito na naman tayo sa sasakyan. Punta daw kami sa itong si Tami no hindi makastipot sa bahay. Punta daw kaming Home Depot. What else do you wanna get from Home Depot?
Mouse traps. Maybe a hose reel over there.
Hose reel for what?
For the hose.
Oh, the thing. There is another one you want to buy. There is a one. You mentioned something different. Don't forget what you need. Because before the mouse trap, you said something different. Is that your tongue? Nakalimutan ko, guys. Andito na kami sa Home Depot. Han? Andun si Tami. Nakalimutan ko itong bilhin sa grocery. So, ngayon, bilhin natin. Ha? Lysol? This is not the Lysol area.
Why? This is cleaners.
Huh?
This is called cleaners. It should be here somewhere.
Oh, Lysol over there, but they don't have a big one. You got already small bottles. Huh? They have different one, oh. The one that black thing.
This is lavender.
You should get that. Lavender.
Take the lemon.
You take the lemon? You're a lemony. Is that the right size? No. What is that? What are you doing? That's not a filter.
This is filter.
Oh, wait, there is a dog.
Because it shows you it takes odor and $16.97, huh?
No, but this one is a waste. Listen to me. This won't get fit. I will give you a freaking million. You give me $1 million if this one won't fit.
What? Look for a second. This is the size, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thickness?
No, do the other side because the other side is thicker. This is thicker right here.
Okay.
Yes. The other one, the paper is even having a hard time feeding
I
it.
know the paper's having a hard time. It crumbles up. But I figure if it's plastic, maybe I could force it in there. Because they didn't make it right. But this, I can't. It just keeps crumbling. So,
Ito yung gusto kong plant. Ito siya, guys. Gabi ito, guys, sa atin. Gabi. Gabi po ito sa atin, look. Itapo natin yan. Oh, what is that? Why is that like that?
so this one you fold it.
And why it go down? For what?
So you can store it.
Ha?
So you can store it. They're the same.
Ah.
One beige and one's brown.
Dito kami, guys, naghanap kami ng pot. Kasi itong nakuha ko is maliit daw, sabi ni Tami. So hanap tayo. Marami dito.
So we'll do that pot.
I like that. No, that's good. That's good. We don't need a big one inside the house.
What?
That's good. Ito, guys, gustong gusto ko to, oh. Han, this is really nice, Han.
I like to see.
Huh? If that's $20, I'll get it.
This is 3 feet.
You make sure.
So this one says 40 inch, but I can't tell. Yeah, now 40 inch.
66. Kuya, was sa baril nila, oh. Ha? No. Kahoy, guys, oh. Sinunog lang nila, oh. Daming plant dito. Guys, damo lang ito sa atin, oh. Mga gabi nga daot. Mga gabi nga daot. Ay, nako. I told Tommy, guys, that when we were kid, we play like brum brum, like a fake car, or like in the tree branch, you do like this brum 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 brum. And now I'm driving a real brum brum. And Tommy said he's gonna buy me an old car. It sounds like brum brum. Oh, Tommy.
This way you can feel better, like you're living your dream.
Living your dream. And Tommy told me it's not just in the Philippines they're doing playing brum brum, over here now too. Also here. Is that true?
Right. Kids play car here all the time. And they sell little plastic cars, and kids used to put little playing cards on their bicycle wheels so they make the noise when they ride their bicycle. so it makes a motor noise.
Really?
Yeah,
The bicycle?
you take
How you can do the bicycle with the brum brum noise?
it's easy. You take a card, and you clip it to the frame of the bicycle, and let the card sit in the spokes, and it keeps doing this as the wheel turns. You got an arrow, hon. What are you waiting for?
Oh, I can't see.
There you go.
This one, oh. Magmarinate tayo ng pork. Para later on, yung pag mag-barbecue na tayo, ito siya guys, oh. Para siyang malalaking bacon. Soy. Konting soy, guys. So, you put a lot of lime. Yun talaga. At saka a lot of paminta.
You put the lime in the coconut. Lime in the coconut.
Lime in the coconut. Siya. Lime. Sana wala akong kiki. But anyway guys, hi guys sa inyo. Katatapos lang namin. Well, actually, it's been, 1 hour na bago natapos kami. Minukbang ko siya guys. I will probably upload it here or sa isang channel. Who knows? Let's see guys. Pero yeah, iwan ko kung saan ko siya i-upload. Anyway, nagmukbang kami ni Tami. Nag-grill kami sa labas. Yun. And kasi mag-half bath ko guys. Kasi nagka-uwil-uwil talaga ako guys sa ano. Oh, yung sa grill. Tumatalswik-talswik. Bebe. Tulog man, oy. Pabayaan lang natin siya matulog. So, mag-half bath tayo, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. Ay, nagka-uwil-uwil. Pati mukha ko, uwil na talaga. Yan, ang ginaw ng bahay, guys. As in, itong si Tami, no? As in, yung ginaw nga, 72 degrees. Sobrang grabe, ginaw. Hi, love. I'm going to end this vlog. Just sleepy, guys. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.